All right, what you're about to see and witness here is a Oric orbiter. This cleaning here is a small little rotating machine. Costs about $200-300 on Amazon. If you're looking to get into the game, you can go ahead and purchase this machine and see how good it gets. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe if you would like to learn more.
98% peroxide, straight peroxide. So you get that on you, it will burn your hands. So I'm not going to get that on us at all. I'll put this on the floor. Once we neutralize it, go over it with our pad, then it'll be safe to walk on. All right, stay tuned. All right, we're getting to the area where the pet stains are at. We got this side back here. It's looking good. That's not a stain right there. That's actually just an indent on the carpet. So that's looking good. Let's get these stains here. We allow the solution to dry, or not dry, but to work. And we can move the stain up and capping. What that did was it emulsified the urine and also odor. And the stain, as you can see, it's coming out good so far. Emulsified it, which can turn into a liquid. And then we're using a natural fiber pad. Very important that we use a natural fiber because it encapsulates all the food. Encapsulating just means pretty much sucking it all up into the pad. The solution crystallizes. It has polymers inside of it, which actually makes your carpets last a lot longer after we finish cleaning. This is a way better solution. Dry times are 45 minutes. And as you can see the results right now. We have a bigger machine on hand. You've seen it in my other videos. I just happened to do the third floor upstairs because I didn't want to carry the other one up. It's about 100 pounds. And it's just coming up great. That's the same exact thing. It's just a smaller surface, so it's a little bit more strict. And as you can see, I wanted to show you that urine area. It was all right here, and it's completely gone. All right. I'm going to finish up the rest of the floor. We have a second room to do. It has some stains in it as well. Stay tuned. And just in case you're wondering, we haven't got over this yet. This room's all complete. It's going to take 30 to 40 minutes for it to dry. Those are just indentations for where the bed was at on the carpet. But our main concern was these pets, were the pet stains here on the floor. And as you can see, no more pet stains. We're looking good. Stay tuned.